How are you guys doing? Long time no see. Okay, let's... My hair is obviously different. Very different. So today I'm gonna dye my hair, I'm gonna bleach my bangs, and I'm going to bleach this a little more. I already started yesterday. I was on the fence about filming this video because I was lazy, but I just kept getting recommended videos of girls dyeing their hair and cutting the hair and bleaching the hair, and I was like, I already do this. I want the million views, okay? I don't think I'll get there, but it's good practice for me, right? And you guys can see my process a little bit. It's not that cute, I'm gonna be honest. I really just want to be blonde, and I might just end up blonde today if after bleaching my bangs and re-bleaching the sides go really badly. I might just fucking bleach the whole thing, but I really wanted to get it done. So if you want to support me and support getting my hair done by a professional, like, comment, subscribe, share. Unless you think the video is bad, then that's fine, don't share it. I'm just gonna get right into the video because I hate long intros, so let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to start with putting some oil in my hair. I've seen a lot of people recommend putting coconut oil on their hair, but I just can't fucking open the jar we have, and I refuse to buy another one, so I'm going to separate my hair. Gosh, I might like this, guys. Can I just be normal? This is so bad right here. Guys, I don't know if that's even. I'm going to hope it is, because that's as much as I feel like doing. So for dye, I got this little guy, and I'm going to be using a 30 volume developer. Okay, honestly, it should be a little thicker than this. Since I have put black hair dye on top of my previously brown, previously blue, previously blonde hair dye, the ends are bleaching different. So I don't know if you can notice, but the very top up here, it processed super fast and bright, whereas down here, it's more brown, dark, caramelly, whatever. So I'm going to start bleaching the bottoms first. Make sure they're nice and coated, maybe wait a little bit, and then I'm going to do my bangs, and then right before I shower, I'm going to do these again. So let's get into it. Wish me luck, guys. Okay, here we go. I mean, I already did it. Might as well go for it. My hair is gonna be like 1,000 different colors when I actually go to the salon. The hairstyle is gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm sorry, future hairstylist. Please fix it. But for now, since we are on a budget, we gotta do it ourselves.
broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then there was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. Myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two, now I'm gonna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it,
I am doing laundry and look who's out here. No, hi baby. Okay guys, I think I'm going to wash it out. I think I will most likely need another round of bleaching, but I got places to be. Okay, so here is where we are at currently. I'm not completely satisfied with it, so I went and picked up some toner, but I'm also going to bleach it one more time.
I've been holding out, it's hard to hide the truth. You've been good to me, and all I do is lie to you. To you. You should know that there's another side of me. I never will take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me to show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies.
There are things you need to know. Things I need to show you.
It was out of fear I turned you away. Hold on to me, here's a ticket to my darkest place. Now you know that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me and show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies. Show you all my
Good morning. I just woke up like literally like 10 minutes ago. This is the state we're in. Don't know if I like it. Honestly, my hair started to fall out. I attempted to cut off the ends and sorry hair. I'm gonna attempt to tone it and maybe that will make it better. montages. Wow, so I really wasn't expecting it to work like that. Never used toner. I'm going to shower and hopefully I will look good. Pray for me, y'all. This is my final hair transformation. What do you guys think? Do we like it? I am so excited. I feel like I have a brand new face to play with. So many options for creativity. I am so excited to be back on YouTube. I'm here to make content for you guys and to express myself, which is exactly why I did this, to express myself. Because that's what I was here to do. I'm here to express myself. You're here to express yourself. I hope you guys find fun new ways to find who you are in this moment. Dyeing my hair is more than just an aesthetic thing for me. It's about setting myself free. Free from a past version of myself. Free from who I've been told to be. It's about liberation and rediscovering myself over and over and over again, uncovering hidden versions of myself I never knew existed, understanding all the different layers that create me. If you're thinking about changing your hair, I say fucking go for it. Go for it. And trust that it will be okay and that your heart is not steering you wrong. We are leaving behind the days that hurt us and we are entering a phase of beaming bright light. And there is a light within you just waiting to shine. I love you guys. Until the next one.